Mifango ya kugira uhoro uria wari president wa gatatu wa Kenya Mwai Kibaki ninyitete thinga na cikaro-ini cia bunge ya bururi umuthi gwatinda mihango ya kuhariria igongona ria kwamukira mwiri wa Kibaki muthenya wa rucio uria ugukorwo guku kwa ihinda ria thiku ithatu kuma muthenya wa rucio nginyagia gatatu ga kiumia giki, na Kenya ni magukorwo na kanya ga kuheana iteo ciao cia muthia kuri mutongoria uyu. Kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio ni muikariri gitu wa kamiti iria irabanga mathiko maya Dr. Fred Matiang'i, mwiri wa Kibaki ukauma mochari-ini ya Kendo thaa imwe na ndagika 5 rucini, na ithanduku riake ni rigakorwo rigireirwo bendera ya bururi na ucoke ugererio barabara-ini ya Valley Road na Kenyatta Avenue guthii nginya bunge-ini ya bururi, na President Uhuru Kenyatta ni wokamukira mwiri ucio bunge-ini hamwe na atongoria angi a ngathi ya iguru thirikari-ini, na igongona-ini riu mwiri wake ni ugatio ni mbiraru cia bururi na njira ya kuhurirwo nyimbo cia kimbiraru na miriro 19 ya mushiga mbere ya muingi ucokete kuhingurirwo kanya ga kuona.
President Kibaki will be given a state send-off with the highest honors because of the distinct service he rendered to our country.
Mbere ya mathiko make maria mabangirwo Jumamothi ino iroka mwena wa uthaya kaunti-ini ya Nyeri ni gugakorwo na igongona ria mitha ya kuririkana Kibaki kiharo-ini kia Nyayo guku Nairobi muthi wa gatano tariki 29 mweri-ini uyu, na kuringana na ndumiriri iria irekereirio ni kamiti ino muthenya uyu ni wanereirwo ari thiguku ya gucakaya Kibaki.
We are going to set up a facility at the Othaya CDF office in Nyeri for members of the public, because that office is centrally located in town, and it will afford members of the public and the leaders from that part of our country an opportunity to also visit, sign a condolence book and pay their respects.
Muthenya wa keri tariki 26 mweri uyu niguo mutongoria wa aruti wira muingi Joseph Kinyua na Dr. Matiang'i magatongoria kuhingura ibuku ria gucakaya Kibaki, na gugukorwo na mabuku kundu gutiganite hamwe na kuari ni bunge ya bururi, igoti-ini itugiru, wabici-ini ciothe cia ministry itiganite, wabici-ini ya kanjo ya magavana guku Nairobi, wabici-ini cia atabania thirikari itaro-ini ciothe 8 cia bururi, wabici-ini cia county commissioner othe, na wabici-ini ciothe cia uburauthi wa Kenya thiini wa thi.
For those who are in Nairobi who would like to visit with the family, this will have to happen on Tuesday and Wednesday at President Kibaki's Nyari office. We are going to provide the details and the map to the office, and this is where any of those, especially members of the diplomatic corps and any senior members of the public who may wish to visit the family or to convey their condolences in person to the family, they would go to the Nyari office.
Mehariria maya makugira uhoro Kibaki maratwarana na maria matabanirio thutha wa gikuo kia uria wari president wa keri wa Kenya Daniel Moi mweri-ini wa keri mwaka wa 2020, uria onake mwiri wake waigirwo bunge-ini ya bururi thiku ithatu na mitaratara yake mbiraru igithingatwo na gikiro kinene magongona-ini matiganite maria matabanirio mbere ya ahurukitio mucii gwake mwena wa Kabarak kaunti-ini ya Nakuru. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.